Hello, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be a vlog, I guess, of getting microneedling. So I'm at Aesthetic Lounge right now in Orange County, which is where I go for all of my facials for the past couple of months, and I'm obsessed with them. They are so good. They've been helping me on my skin journey achieve whatever I want, which is currently working on hyperpigmentation, so like dark spots and scarring and stuff. So microneedling is gonna help with that, I think, and it's just gonna like rejuvenate my skin, and it's good for cell regrowth or something like that, anti-aging. Basically, that's what today's video is. I look like Shirley Temple right now with my crazy day 3 curls, so that's what's going on. Yeah, and the kid is here for moral support. He's also getting a facial today.
Yes, sir.
Not microneedling, but something. I don't know what he's getting.
Probably a hydrofacial.
Yeah, we like those. I got him on the regimen too because we're trying to take care of our skin. It's
good stuff.
It's a serious
pamper.
Yeah, serious part of your body. So here we are on a little skin date. So I'm gonna bring you guys inside, show you the process, and then I'll show you afterwards, and I'll also do a little update a couple days from now and show you how my skin's doing and all that good stuff. So let's go put needles all over my face.
Let's do it.
So we're starting with a hydrofacial today with Christina. Say hi.
Yay, hi.
And she'll go over a little bit why this is good to do before the microneedling.
Lainey, the great thing about doing this before your microneedling is that you avoid the risk of getting any potential breakouts. So it's a wonderful service, but certain patients that maybe have some acne that's coming to a head in the next upcoming week or what have you, can have that breakout kind of spread because of those microneedling channels that we're causing in the skin. So by cleaning the skin right before your treatment, you really alleviate any potential risk for irritation to the skin. So it's going to be a gentle hydrofacial. We're not going to be doing all of the steps of the treatment because we want to get your skin prepped and get it cleaned, but we don't want to overly exfoliate or overly treat the skin to where you might have an adverse reaction.
Just suck that zit out.
Oh my god.
I can feel it coming out.
Yeah.
So I have this numbing cream on my hair. It's like really freaky. And I'm gonna leave this on for like 45. I can't with this hair. I'm gonna leave this on for like 45 minutes while Clayton gets his facial, and then I'm gonna go stab my face with a needle. A lot of needles, I think. I don't even know what this tool looks like, so we will find out together. We're starting the microneedling.
Okay, 0 to 5, how would you rate your pain?
0.
Good. Very good. Okay, so I'm going to do a slight increase. 0 to 5?
0.
Perfect. So we'll just travel along as long as you're keeping below a 4. We'll do the same setting. Okay, so we're gonna do the upper lip. This is a sensitive area, so just let me know. Okay.
This is the worst part?
For some people, yes.
Okay. So how long are you supposed to wait to not wear any makeup?
24 hours.
Just 24 hours?
Mm-hmm. So if you feel at that point, so like I was talking about how sensitive your skin is, that you're still extremely red and inflamed, the longer you go at that point, exactly, it's like letting your skin breathe.
Yeah.
And especially, or do you normally wear a foundation or no?
Yeah.
Okay, is it thicker?
Not really.
Okay, so if you're not having to scrub it off, then, you know, 24 hours, that's fine to go ahead and wear it. If you feel like it's one you have to scrub off, I would hold off a little longer.
Okay.
just because, of course, that's irritating the area that's trying to heal.
Yeah. And then you do the nose too.
Exactly, for
I
force.
feel like that's gonna like tickle so bad.
Yeah, on the bridge, it usually does.
Yeah. When you were doing like over here,
You could feel
I
it.
could feel the nose, and I'm like, oh, that's really like itchy.
Yeah. So if you need a sneeze, let me know.
Okay. You're gonna do the nose. Oh yeah, that tickles. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, this is the finished product. I can't touch the finished look. This is the tutorial. How to look like a freaking, what do I look like? A tomato?
Yeah. A
Sure.
dry tomato.
A sun-dried tomato.
Sun-dried tomato.
Get the look. I'm sweating, babe. Can you turn on the air? I'm done, obviously, and that was actually so easy. The aesthetic lounge that I go to, they have a plastic surgeon there, so they have a doctor, which allows them to have like a higher grade of numbing cream than just a normal place that doesn't have a doctor, I guess. So I think that made it even better. Like, I literally didn't feel it while I was getting it. I mean, I heard it and I felt like contact, but I didn't feel literally any pain at all. It felt like she was taking my electric toothbrush and just like rubbing it on my skin. So that's really chill. So yes, overall it was super easy in my experience. It does probably depend a little bit on the numbing cream that you get, but even if it was a little bit less strong numbing cream, I don't think it would be that bad. So thank you to Aesthetics I just did the Shakira thing. Thank you to Aesthetic Lounge. Elizabeth did an amazing job, and I got my little hydrofacial before with Christina. So those are the ladies that I see there if you guys want to check them out. And if you're in Orange County or LA and you need a good place, highly recommend. Like, I'm in such good hands there. I would do any skincare treatments that I wanted to do there. So definitely trustworthy, good place to go, knowledgeable. Can't say enough good things. Basically what's gonna happen now is I can't touch my face for 4 hours because I have open channels, which is basically just the holes in my face from the needles going in. And tonight I'm gonna wash my face with a gentle cleanser and moisturize a lot because this can make it a little bit dry. And then I'm gonna try not to wear makeup for a couple of days. Technically you could start wearing makeup after 24 hours, but I'm just gonna give my skin as much breathing time and as much of a rest as possible because that will just make it even more beneficial, basically. So that's what's going on. I am going to the doctor right now. So I'm going out in public like this because I don't really care. And I'm gonna go hang out with my friends tonight too. So it's doable if you degaff like me. And, I mean, I'm obviously not gonna like shoot an Instagram photo and post it because I look like a sun-dried tomato. So it's not the cutest look, but to me, it's bearable. And the kid got a hydrofacial.
Super fresh over here.
Let me give you a skin tour. He looks like a baby. His skin is like glowing, smooth, normal colored. So he's living his best life. He will be posting selfies on the gram all week. Yeah, so that is our current skin update, and I'll show you guys what it looks like later tonight because apparently it's gonna get worse, not better. I'll show you in a couple days too, so stay tuned. So a little update. Look how crazy I look. This is terrifying. I need some hair. A little update. This lighting is not doing me favors, and I also don't know what's scarier, my hair or my face at this point. But anyways, it's been, I think it's been like 8 hours since I got my microneedling. So this is what I'm looking like. It's quite red, quite pink, I should say, maybe rather than red. I just washed my face and put on moisturizer, and now I'm gonna go to bed. Overall, I feel like it's not that bad. I feel like this lighting is making it a little more extreme in real life it doesn't look as crazy as it looks in the camera, what we're working with. So I'm gonna go to sleep now and see you in the morning. Okay, and I'm gonna show you one more time out here because the lighting is less harsh than in the bathroom and crazy, and this is like more realistic maybe. I mean, I just look absolutely so crazy right now, so I don't know what I'm trying to tell you guys, that it doesn't look crazy, because it does, but this is what's going on. Okay, for real. Good night. Good morning, guys. I just woke up. This is what my skin looks like after one night of sleeping with the microneedling. So it's definitely gone down in redness a lot, and now it's just a little bit pink. Obviously I have a blemish there, and it's doing pretty good. I will keep you updated throughout the day. Just got out of the shower and washed my face. It's midday. It's been not quite 24 hours, but almost 24 hours since I got the microneedling. It's just getting like less and less irritated and red, so it's like really chill. And I'll be able to wear makeup tomorrow. I mean, technically I could wear makeup today after 24 hours, but I'm just gonna keep it easy and chill and just moisturize my face a lot today because it does dry it out a bit, and enjoy the benefits. I figured I'd show you guys the products that I have been using post microneedling. So this I also get from Aesthetic Lounge. It's from Image Skincare, and it's Ormedic Balancing Facial Cleanser. It's a super gentle cleanser, so I use this sometimes after my facials depending on how my skin is doing anyways, and then it's what they recommended for me to use after the microneedling, since the skin is obviously very sensitive after that. And then, as I mentioned, it makes your skin kind of dry, so you need like a little extra moisture. So I don't use a ton of moisturizer normally because I have pretty oily skin, but I'm using this like 2 or 3 times a day over the next couple of days. And this is the Ole Henriksen C Rush Brightening Cream. I just finished a bottle of this, so I'm on a pretty fresh one now. It smells like oranges. It smells so good. So gently moisturizing my skin, letting it soak up all that moisture. So definitely I would say microneedling is a good thing to do if you have a bit of downtime. So maybe on like a Friday, and then you can just like lay low that weekend, or if you work from home, it's a bit easier obviously to not have to put on makeup and stuff when you work from home. So yeah, for at least like a day, you're gonna have to not wear makeup and be a little more chill than you normally would be. Just rubbing my décolleté. Like I couldn't work out today and stuff, so that sucks because I miss working out today, but it's worth beautiful skin, hopefully. So yeah, those are the products I'm using for this. All right, we are still on day 2, definitely well past 24 hours now, and it's just still a tiny bit, but definitely has faded like throughout the day, and there's nothing too crazy. But as I mentioned before, it's nice to just be at home, obviously, when dealing with this, and just to give it a break without the makeup for as long as possible. So I'm gonna wash my face again now with that Ormedic face wash, super gentle, and then put on the moisturizer. And then tomorrow, I think I'm also not going to wear makeup just because I'm not like shooting or going to any meetings or anything. I'm gonna work out, I have a massage, and I have to go get my eyelashes filled, and that seems like the most like annoying high maintenance day ever. But Clayton got me the massages for a birthday present in December. It's now February, so I'm finally going to use that, and I'm excited to go work out since I couldn't today, and then getting my eyelashes done is truly a part of my job. So, you know, it sounds really annoying and high maintenance, but it's just what it is. So yeah, but given those things, I'm not going to put on makeup tomorrow just to give myself even more of a break, and you can't really wear makeup to an eyelash fill anyways, so just going strong with this no makeup thing, getting the most out of my microneedling experience. Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face now and sleep, and I'll probably wake up like very lightly pink tomorrow, I would imagine. I just woke up. It is the next day and this is what my skin looks like now. It's pretty much back to normal, I would say, for me. The person who did my microneedling, Elizabeth, did tell me that it's different for everyone. Like, she stays red and bruised pretty much for like 5 days, and some people are better like the next day. So I'd say I'm kind of in the middle of that. I'm still a little bit pink, but definitely if I were to just put on a light layer of foundation, I feel like it would be fine. I have zit cream on, which I actually don't know if I'm supposed to do with microneedling. I did not check into that, but I did it. So yeah, I told you guys last night I'm not really gonna wear makeup today, but I will wear makeup tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what my skin looks like and everything with some makeup on it, but it looks good. Good morning, friends. It has been 3 days since I got my microneedling, and my skin is pretty much not really red anymore. It's just the tiniest bit pink, but will be really easy to cover up with my foundation, I think. I'm wearing a towel also. It looks like I'm naked, which I technically am, but I'm not. And my skin is really dry, and I think I already told you guys in this video that my skin is normally very oily, so this is really weird for me to have dry skin. But today I'm just gonna put on a bunch of moisturizer, and I'm actually gonna wear makeup, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like once I put makeup on it. But this is the current happenings. Okay, so as you guys saw, I just finished doing my makeup, and I did a little bit more full coverage because I am about to film something and shoot today, so I did a little more than I normally would on just like a chill day. But it went pretty well. Like I mentioned, my skin is super dry from the microneedling, so it was a little bit harder to get like a smooth application, and there's just like a little bit of like texture coming up and like skin. So a little tip that I have for kind of concealing that is, if you guys saw, I used the Freck, which is like a faux freckle tool, and I wear it all the time. Actually, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably noticed, but I used that to kind of cover up the texture that was coming up, because it just makes those spots that are actually from like the dry skin or the microneedling look like a part of the freckle pattern on your face. So that kind of helped. Other than that, it was super easy to cover up like the pink and red from the microneedling. So this is the first time wearing makeup since then. This is pretty much the end result of my microneedling for this first session, or first, I guess that's what I should call it, session. So yeah, I am really happy with it. It was super easy overall, I would say, and I feel like it is made my skin nice and smooth, and I feel like it was really good for my skin in general. I've had so many friends do it and say amazing things about it, and just overall in the industry of skincare, it's a very loved thing to do. So I definitely think that it's worth it, and it's definitely not too painful or unbearable in terms of recovery and stuff, at least not in my case. So I would definitely do it again, and that is of course when you see more results, is when you continue to do it and do it a couple of times. So if I do it again, I will keep you guys updated with further results and everything. You can keep up with all of that on my Instagram, where I post more everyday stuff, including skincare and appointments and all that good stuff. So that was pretty much it for my microneedling experience. Thank you again to Aesthetic Lounge for taking good care of my skin always, and I will bring you guys along if I do any other exciting treatments or facials or anything like that in the future.